Hi children, welcome to the science class. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Are you all washing your hands regularly? Drink plenty of water, eat healthy food. Be safe and be healthy. I hope you all are enjoying learning from home. Is it right? Let us start the today's class. What can you see on the slide? Yes, it is about food. Food gives us energy. And also food contains many essential nutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. These all you have learned in your first chapter. And also you have learned about balanced diet. Is it right children? Yes. How can you eat the food? With the help of mouth. From the mouth, where the food goes? To the digestive system. So today, you are going to learn our second chapter about digestion and the role of microbes. So what's our lesson name children? Digestion and the role of microbes. The food we eat passes through our digestive system and also breaks down into simpler substances. Let us learn about our teeth. We have teeth inside our mouth. See children, the teeth helps us to bite and also chew our food. Without teeth, can you eat any food? No, we cannot bite. With the help of teeth, we can bite any type of food. And also, the teeth helps us to chew the food. So, inside the mouth, what we have? Teeth. Do all the teeth are similar? No. See children, the process of digestion starts in the mouth. Let us learn about sets of teeth. Children, we have 2 sets of teeth in our lifetime. Those are milk teeth, permanent teeth. So what are the 2 sets of teeth in our daily life? Yes, milk teeth, permanent teeth. What's the spelling of permanent teeth? P-E-R-M-A-N-E-N-T. Milk teeth is also called as temporary teeth or primary teeth. See children, there are 20 number of milk teeth and permanent teeth are 32. These are the 2 sets of teeth which we have in our lifetime. Let us learn about permanent teeth. At the age of 6, the milk teeth start fall out one after one and are replaced by permanent teeth. So, at the age of 17 to 25 years around, the last set of permanent teeth may appear. Let us learn about types of teeth. Children, stand in front of mirror and open your mouth and check whether all the teeth are similar, same size and shape. No, they vary in size and shape. So, depending upon, we are learning types of teeth. We have 4 types of teeth: incisor, canine, premolar and molar. How many types of teeth do we have? 4. See the shape of the teeth children. All the 4 are in different shape. See children, how many types of teeth we have? 4. What are those? Tell along with me. Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. In our mouth, we have teeth and we have upper jaw and lower jaw. So, how many types of teeth do we have? 4. Let us look at the table, children. Here are the types of teeth along with the functions of it and also given the number. See, children, how many incisors we have? 8. So 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. Canines are 4. 2 in the upper jaw and 2 in the lower jaw. And next, premolars are 8. 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. And last one are molars. 12, 6 in the upper jaw and 6 in the lower jaw. Total, we have 32 permanent teeth. This is about the number of types of teeth. Now, see the functions of it. Incisors are used to cut and bite the food. Canines are used to tear the food. Premolars and molars helps to chew and grind the food. Let us see the picture here. Incisors are used for cutting and chopping food. If you want to eat a biscuit, what you will do? Just will cut it. By using the front teeth, incisors, we can cut. So, incisors are sharp and flat, tiny chisel-like shaped. The next one are canines. Canines are sharp pointed teeth. Beside the incisors, we have canines. Those are sharp and pointed teeth. Canines are used for tearing the food. The next one about premolars and molars. Premolars and molars are used for grinding and crushing the food. Let us observe the slide, children. Here, given the brief description of the types of teeth. See, all the 4 types of teeth are differ in shape and size. The first front teeth are called as incisors. The next, canines. Beside canines, we have premolars. And the last teeth are called as molars. Both in the upper jaw and in the lower jaw, we have these 4 types of teeth. Let us see here. Incisors are sharp teeth which are used for cutting or biting the food. Canines are sharp pointed teeth which helps to tear the food. Premolars are also sharp and broad, bigger than the canines. And these are used for crunching and grinding the food. The same like premolars, we have molars. Are also flat and also used for crushing and grinding the food. This is about types of teeth. Let us watch a video and understand more about types of teeth.
Mom, where are you?
What happened, Mohan?
Look, Mom, I have another tooth broken. In the past few months, I have lost 3 teeth. Now, when I laugh, my face looks so funny. I do not want to look like this.
Mohan, these are your milk teeth. After some time, you will get new and permanent teeth in place of your broken teeth. Friends, like Mohan, you must have also lost your milk teeth and got your new permanent teeth. You know that teeth are an important part of our body. They help us to chew and eat our food. They also help us to speak clearly. Do you know that a kid can have maximum 20 milk teeth? However, when he grows up, he will have maximum 32 permanent teeth. Let us learn more about our teeth. When you look at your teeth in the mirror, you will notice that the teeth in your mouth are of different shapes and sizes. We have 4 different types of teeth. Each type of teeth has a different purpose. Cut, tear, grind, and chew. Let us see the front 4 teeth in both the upper and lower jaws. They all are same in shape and have a sharp edge. They work like scissors to bite or cut food into small pieces. Hence they are called incisors. Look at the sharp pointed teeth located on both sides of incisors on each jaw. These are used to tear the food like a fork. They are called canines. They are 4 in number, 2 in each jaw. Next to each canine, there are 2 broad and flat teeth. They act as nutcracker and are used to grind and break the food into fine pieces. They are called premolars. There are 4 premolars in each jaw. Look at the last 3 teeth on both sides of each jaw. On both sides of each jaw, the last 3 teeth are broader than the premolars. These are called molars. Their function is similar to the premolars, but they are used to grind the food further into a fine paste. We have in total 32 teeth, 16 in each jaw.
Children, did you observe the video carefully? I hope now you are very clear about sets of teeth and types of teeth. Let me recap the today's class. You have learned about types of teeth. How many types of teeth do we have? 4. What are those? Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. See children, and also you have learned about sets of teeth. We have milk teeth and permanent teeth. How many milk teeth do we have? 20, and the permanent teeth are 32. The first 4 teeth are called incisors. Next to the incisors, we have canines. Beside canines, we have premolars. Next to the premolars, we have molars. Along with this video, you are also provided worksheets. Write the worksheets carefully and also read the textbook regularly. We'll meet you in the next class. Thank you, children.